I want to weigh in editorially tonight with President Obama's green car, cap and trade, green economy vision. I think it's all pie in the sky. It's airy-fairy thinking that has never been subjected to a sharp pencil for detailed and critical analysis. Yes, Marty Feldstein had it right earlier today when he said cap and trade is a huge regulatory apparatus and a big tax on the American economy. I totally agree. Others do not. Take a listen to our parent CEO, Jeff Immelt.
I've come to the conclusion that cap and trade is the most effective way to create a market and go. There's going to be people that argue for taxes, but I just think cap and trade is the more practical approach.
Now, with the greatest respect for a man I like and admire very much, I just totally disagree with Jeff Immelt. Global warming has not convinced me that it is stated science. Thousands of respectable scientists disagree with the whole climate change theory. Additionally, cap and trade will set up the biggest command and control central planning regime this country has ever experienced. I call it socialism light. And there is most certainly a tax component. The tax hike impact will be enormous as power costs skyrocket. Hundreds of billions of dollars will be deflated and reduced and taken out of our economy. This will ensure subpar economic growth for decades to come. That, according to the Heritage Foundation and the U.S. Department of Energy. In fact, if I really believe the global warming theory, I'd rather go with a carbon tax like Gregory Mankiw of Harvard. At least that would avoid the massive regulatory assault and the political pork and patronage that always goes along with it. But I don't like any of this. And as for green jobs, if we end the carbon economy, we will lose carbon-related jobs. Do you know, for every new green job created, some believe we will lose 4 existing jobs. That would be a disaster. And you know what else? I don't like the fact that oil is now over $60 a barrel. I know that's way down from $150. But if we want affordable energy to fuel this economy, we should be drilling for oil and natural gas and shale. We should be working on clean coal. We should be developing nuclear power. But President Obama opposes all this, and consequently, energy companies are slashing their investments. True American economic growth with greater independence from our enemies means working for all of the above energy sources, including, yes, the alternative fuels and the new green technologies, but market forces should allocate these resources and make those decisions, not government central planners. That's my take on the whole story.